Hi guys, so this is my analysis on Dogecoin. If you watched my previous video on Dogecoin, I said this was my analysis on Dogecoin, right? I said I was expecting a retracement to this level right here, an uptrend retracement to this level right here, break to this level right here, then we might not push up, but we can see there was a retracement to the level right here, which is here, but it did not push down as expected. It continued to push up, so that has invalidated our analysis. So now it has invalidated analysis. We have to reanalyze it again. So let me see what next on Dogecoin. Let me go to the weekly time frame and see the bigger picture. Okay, so now that I'm in weekly time frame, I'm seeing the bigger picture, right? So now we can see we are expecting a buy to this level right here. Oh, sorry, I think I wanna clone this. Yep. So we're looking at my weekly time frame. There is an imbalance right here. Beautiful. There is an imbalance right here that needs to be mitigated right here. So I'm expecting more of a buy, at least to that push. So now that I've seen the bigger picture, that's why I like top-down analysis. It makes your analysis much easier to look at. So now that I've seen the weekly time frame, I can now go down to my daily time frame and see from there, right? Let me go back I think I like how the weekly is more clear. Okay, so let's see. So Dogecoin is in a really kind of dicey stage right now. So let's see, right? I have two scenarios here. Let me analyze both scenarios that I have, right? So there is an imbalance here. We can also see there is an imbalance right here. So I'm expecting a short buy to that move right here, right? I'm expecting a short buy to that move. Then we might drop down to this right here because there is an imbalance here as well. That's one overall picture I'm seeing, right? The second overall picture I'm seeing is sometimes it surpasses that imbalance. We might just push up to this level right here, which is around my 88.60% level, then push down to the target right here, which is an imbalance. That's another scenario. Then another scenario is we might actually be on a buy trend, to be honest, and I will tell you my reason why I think so, right? Let's draw a trend line here. There was a break of structure around this level, right? Let me see if I can draw it better at the daily time frame. Okay, let's see if I can draw it better here. Yes, I think here is better. The daily time frame is better. So now that I've drawn it, let's now go, right? So we can see I think it might actually be on a bullish move as well. There was a break of structure here, which is this, right? We can also see this impulsive right here as well. So there's a probability that, and now that it has come to this level right here, right? Now that it has come down to this level right here, this zone right here, it's like there's an impulse, right? Uptrend impulse, a correction right here to mitigate this level right here before we now push up. So that's what I'm also saying, right? I'm saying an uptrend because it has broken structure, so there's a probability we are on an uptrend. So I am saying an uptrend right here, right? Okay, hope you guys can see this as well. There was a break of structure here that needs to be retested, and now we are here retesting the zone, right? Retesting the zone. So now there's a probability that we are really on an uptrend, just to continue this direction we are in, right? Which is, we all know, after an impulse, a correction to this right here, right? Then after a correction, you have a continuation, right? So something like this. So that's kind of the pattern I am seeing as well. So that's what I'm saying. It's very dicey at the moment, but I'm very sure we are going to buy to at least this level right here. Even if you're still going to push down, you're still going to buy to this level right here, because there's an imbalance to be filled at that level. But I'm still going to be looking for sales until it's break the structure right here. So I'm still looking for sell to this level right here, to this imbalance right here, until we break this level. If we break this level right here, then I can now change my perspective to buy, and I'll tell you my reason why. It's because if we break structure right here, right, it's come down to mitigate an imbalance here, right, then it will continue to push up. So that has given us an higher high, sorry, an higher low and higher low. So now it has changed character, right? Now we can now see change of character. So now we can now see change of. So when we see that, then we know that we are now on a buy trend. But as long as it hasn't broken this structure here, I still think we might be on a sell. Even like I said, right, we might reject from this imbalance right here, or there's a possibility we might push up deeply to my 88% before we reject. So that's a possibility. But if we break the structure right here, and I will expect like a retracement to create a new higher low, then now it's now confirmed that we are going to buy. So we just have to be patient with DOGECOIN at the moment, because it's very, very dicey. But yeah, but since I still think you're still gonna push up to that level right here, so let me just put this one just for reference to this level right here. So yep, so let's just see how that goes. But I'm thinking it's to push up to this level. Then let's see how it goes when you push up to this level and how it reacts on that level before we know. Maybe it's still gonna pull up to probably this level right here, or we're just gonna reject all this imbalance, then continue to push down. So that's a probability. Or here, then continue to push down. That's also a probability. So guys, hope this is insightful. If you have any questions, please just leave in the section down below, and I'll do my possible best to answer. Thank you.